Just learn and grow. If you can't handle the fact that people can't see you on the road and you're going to take every single thing personally, 100% you should not be on a motorcycle. Absolutely should not be on a motorcycle. I'm not trying to be grumpy McGrumpy pants over here, but everyone in a vehicle is not out to get you. If someone almost moved over into you, there's a very high chance they absolutely did not do it on purpose. When someone does that and moves over into me or whatever, honestly, most of the time it's something I already saw coming anyway. I'm like, whoop, there it is. Knew that was coming. So it's rare I get annoyed anymore, but even if I do, I just mumble to myself like, this moron, freaking idiot. And then that's it. Like, I just keep it moving. I'm going about my day. You're gonna let somebody that can't drive, and by the way, there's so many somebodies that can't drive. You're gonna let that person ruin your ride? Why?